All right, I'm live and had some developments this morning. Got on YouTube Studio, found that there are copyright strikes against me. And that does not mean that I'm actually guilty of a copyright violation. I've received no legal documentation in my inbox or in my hand. There is a law firm involved because they're the ones that issued the copyright claim on YouTube. However, that does not mean that it's a legitimate claim. I'm of the mind that what I've been doing all week is firmly under fair use law, especially as it pertains to educational purposes. I've spent a lot of my commentary explaining what uh, what I'm doing, and so I'm thinking that it's legally protected speech, and that this is all going to get resolved in the coming days. The process to get this figured out takes a couple of days, and so I the it very easily could be the strategy that they have just to silence me for a couple of days while they complete their actions today. Meanwhile, Facebook and Twitter are they've still got my stuff up, and I can easily keep streaming there. So I just wanted to come on YouTube for a couple minutes and explain how I'm seeing the situation as I understand it. There is no legal threat at this point. There hasn't been any attempt. I've written their legal representation to ask for an explanation of how it is that they have copyrighted this public stream that they have been putting out, and how it is that I've violated that. I haven't heard anything yet. All I've gotten from the denomination is a polite request not to do it, in which case, that's appreciated, but that's also not legally binding. So, I have reached out to some lawyers and some people who know what they're doing, and I'm not threatening. I would rather not go a legal route. I'm just a guy trying to keep everybody in the know of what's going on, and I feel good about the coverage that I've done so far. So it's my intention to continue that coverage. I wanted to encourage you guys to go on over to Facebook. You can find Plain Spoken on there very easily. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to get things in motion here to start recording the proceedings and doing the same thing that I've done the last 2 weeks. I want to close this thing out. I don't like stopping things before they're over. So I appreciate. Yeah, I'll be streaming on Facebook, Jeff, and on Twitter. And then I don't think there's a way. I've got a Rumble account, but I don't think I can. The restream doesn't go to them, and I don't think I can do multiple outputs like that on Ecamm Live. So I love you guys too, and I appreciate all the support. I appreciate Jeff in particular saying if it does go in a legal direction, there's money available. That's not why I'm bold here. I am thinking that if they did have legal ground to stand on, they would have gone about this different. I think they were just trying to silence me for a couple of days. So, um, and I don't want to be adversarial or nasty about it. I really do have a genuine uh, different understanding of what U.S. law says, and I'm thinking I've seen enough of this content to know that it is legally protected speech, and I think they were just depending on me being intimidated. So, and I am intimidated. I really don't want to risk legal action. That sounds most unpleasant, but I'm thinking that these proceedings need to be covered, and it's been a really rewarding experience for me and so many of you on the chat. And so just wanted to encourage you, if you have time today, to go on over and follow me. It probably is easiest for most of you on Facebook if you're already there. I know it's not as fun to watch things on there for some reason. Everybody prefers YouTube, and of course, I can't monetize over there, so I'm not going to see any income from it. But I just want to finish the project well. So anyway, hopefully, I'm not an idiot and making a really stupid decision. But I just wanted to prioritize truth and transparency over worldly legal power and fear. So I'm going to get things moving in that direction. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right. Bye.